As the world continues to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, scientists are now turning their attention to other emerging viruses that could pose significant risks. New viruses, some of which have the potential to cause widespread epidemics, are being identified through advanced genomic research. These pathogens, while not yet fully understood, are drawing concern from the global health community due to their ability to spread rapidly and evade current treatments. One of the most recent findings comes from a study conducted by the German Cancer Research Center, which discovered major genetic innovations in viruses that infect aquatic vertebrates. These viruses, including new strains of coronaviruses, have evolved in ways that may make them more adept at crossing species barriers and infecting humans. Among these viruses, scientists are particularly concerned about those in the Nidavirales order, which includes coronaviruses, due to their history of zoonotic transmission. This was the case with SARS-CoV-1, MERS-CoV, and SARS-CoV-2, COVID-19, all of which jumped from animals to humans with devastating consequences. Experts are warning that the next pandemic may not come from coronaviruses but from other viral families. For example, the Nipah virus, which has caused localized outbreaks in Southeast Asia, is one such pathogen. Nipah has a high mortality rate, sometimes reaching up to 75%, and currently lacks effective treatments. The virus is spread through direct contact with infected animals or contaminated food, making it a significant public health concern. Similarly, the Marburg virus, a close relative of Ebola, has caused several outbreaks in Africa. Marburg has a fatality rate that ranges between 24% and 88%, depending on the quality of medical care available during outbreaks. The virus spreads through contact with bodily fluids of infected individuals, similar to Ebola, and can result in hemorrhagic fever. The advancement in genomic sequencing has made it possible to detect viruses before they spread uncontrollably. By mining genomic databases, researchers have been able to identify viral mutations early, giving public health officials time to prepare for potential outbreaks. This proactive approach has already been used to identify several new virus strains that are being closely monitored. The World Health Organization, WHO, has emphasized the importance of global collaboration in preparing for future viral outbreaks. This includes bolstering surveillance systems, improving rapid response strategies, and developing vaccines and treatments for a wider range of viral families. The WHO also stresses the need for improved public health infrastructure, particularly in developing nations where outbreaks are more likely to occur. As the world faces the possibility of new viral pandemics, preparedness is key. With scientific advancements and global cooperation, the hope is to mitigate the impact of future outbreaks before they can cause widespread harm. However, continued vigilance and investment in public health infrastructure are essential to staying ahead of these emerging threats.